Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. So guys, I know it's been a while, but I'm back now, hopefully. And today we are going to be doing this interesting recipe. I call them omelette pockets, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's just a way of making your omelets a little bit interesting. You can have this for breakfast, you can have this as a snack, you can have it for dinner, you know, any time. It's just appropriate. So let's just go straight to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's really easy, and it doesn't have any complications. So yeah, let's get to the video. So guys, we are going to start by kneading our dough first, and what you're going to need is really few ingredients. Over here I just have 1 cup of flour, normal all-purpose flour, and this over here is milk powder. I used a tablespoon, but it's not a must. For some reason I found out that whenever you add in milk powder in your dough, when you're kneading your dough, in whatever you're using your dough for, it makes your dough really soft. So since then I've been incorporating milk powder in all of my flour dishes, you know. And so that's basically it over there. Over here I have water, probably not going to use all of it. You're also going to need some oil and salt. So for your dough, that's all you're going to need. So let's go to the first step, which is kneading our dough. Then guys, for your salt, you're going to add in like about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just like that. Then next guys, we're going to start kneading our dough. I'm going to put water. This is just normal water. It's not cold, it's not hot, it's just normal, like that. I'm not going to use all of it, as I said earlier. So we're going to add in as we go by. I'm going to put in your oil. That's about 1 teaspoon. So guys, there you have it. This is how my dough is looking like. As you can see, I wish you could feel, but this is how the consistency is. It's not so hard, also it's not super soft, so that it doesn't become a problem for you when you're rolling it out. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to cover this with a cling film and let it sit as we continue with the other preparations. So yeah, also guys, you have to know that when you let your dough sit like this one, or any kind of dough that you are kneading, it becomes softer. So even if it's chapatis, even if you're kneading mahamri dough or this or any kind of dough, so the more it sits, it becomes a little bit more softer, and that's what we want to achieve. So when you're kneading it, make sure you don't let it be so soft, because when it sits, it's going to be softer. Yeah, I hope I made sense, guys. We are going to let this sit now for about 15 minutes. Okay guys, so here's to our next step. So the next step is just basically making our stuffing, whatever that we are going to be putting inside our dough. And to be honest, this is just someone's preference. You just need vegetables, any that you can get. Personally, I just decided to put some onions, tomatoes, and some bell pepper. I have the yellow, the green, and the red one. You're also going to need 2 eggs, and you're going to need some sausages. I think mine are 6. Yeah, mine are 6. So for that part, that's it. Then over here we have oil, of course, for cooking everything. Then we also have salt. We have my favorite spice over here, that's paprika. You all know I can't cook without paprika. I just can't. Then we also have curry powder, we have coriander, we have turmeric, we have cumin powder, and we have black pepper. Also guys, when it comes to spices, it doesn't, yani there are no rules. You can just put any spice that you personally like. Maybe you don't like black pepper, it's not a must you put it. Maybe you don't like paprika, it's not a must. Just go in with the spices that you personally love. These are the ones I'm using. So yeah, let's go to the next step. Also guys, these are the ready to eat sausages. So they're somehow cooked right now, but we're still going to cook them, though not much. So I'm just chopping them into small circular shapes like that. Also guys, if you don't like sausages on this part, you can try and use minced meat. Yeah, I think it will work all the same. But I just noticed I've done a lot of minced meat on my channel, and I just wanted to try something different, you know. Let's see how this will turn out. So guys, when it comes to the bell pepper, I think I'm going to be using half of each, but let's see first. So basically here guys, we are just making an omelette. Try to beat your eggs until they're well and fluffy. Then next we're going to add in our vegetables inside here. So over here I have my black pepper. It smells so good guys. Add a generous amount of black pepper. You can put a half a teaspoon. It will be okay. You can honestly just eat this as it is guys, with some bread. Amazing. But today we have a different purpose for this. Add in our onions. Used one onion. One is enough, but if you like you can add. Adding in my salt. So guys, here is our dough. It's about 15 minutes later, and we are going to now roll it out. So guys, you're going to roll your dough until it looks like this. It should be this big. Then the next step, guys, you're going to put some flour on top like that, so that when we are folding, they don't stick onto each other. So just like that. Then over here is when we are folding. Just fold it into half like that. Then you're going to fold it again, just as you're seeing on the video, guys. And over here, I'm just cutting off the edges so that we can get nice shapes. Then guys, after you've cut off your edges, that's what you'll have. And then you're going to cut it into half again like this, so that you can have them looking rectangular first, like this. Then the next step, you're going to cut them again in the middle so that you can have small square shapes, just like that, guys. Then over here, guys, you're going to need 1 egg. This is just going to act as the glue when we are like folding our omelette inside the flour, like this. So now you're going to put inside your omelette the one we made earlier. Don't put too much, it will be a problem when you want to close it. So just put something like that. And over here I have some cheese, just mozzarella. I'm going to put a little bit on top, just like that, guys. Then next we are going to close this. We're just going to wrap it. So first you bring one side to the center like that, then you brush off your egg. It's going to act as the glue. Then the next step is just to bring on the other side on top, just as you can see me doing on the video, guys. And the next and the last step is just bringing in the ends so that it doesn't pour outside, just like that. And at the end, you're going to have pockets like this, guys, and inside they have your omelette. Now guys, remember we had made some sausages as well. You're going to do the same with the sausages as we did with the omelette, but it's not a must, guys. These were just omelette pockets. I just added sausages just to see how they're going to turn out, and they were really amazing. So you can also try. So don't put too much, just like that is enough. And after you've put in your cheese, guys, the next step is to just fold in like that, just as we did to the first one. So you bring one side to the center, then you brush off some egg on top, then you bring the other side and you also cover the ends, just like that. And over here, guys, I'm going to put in my omelette together with the sausages in one of the pockets. So you can keep changing like that. You can put one, the omelette, the other one, you can put both. Or if you like, you can only put the sausages inside, And don't forget to add in some cheese. You know, cheese makes everything better. And yeah, just fold according to how we did the first ones. Okay guys, so here they are. This is what we came up with, and the next thing, we're just going to cook them. So I'm going to be using Blue Band to just cook them a little bit, but if you have butter, you can use butter, margarine, any brush. So guys, we've come at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're going to try my recipe, and I hope you loved it. I know it's something unique, something really different. Please make sure you try it. This is our end results. This is our end product. This is how they should be looking like, and I just want to cut one so that I can show you on the inside. There you have it guys, as you can see, inside like that. Don't know if it's visible, but yeah, you remember we had cheese. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and that's how they're looking on the inside, as you can see. Please make sure to try it. It's really interesting, really yummy as well. You can have it with tea, you can have it with any drink that you personally like. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't guys, and there's a bell button next to the subscribe button. Please make sure you click it so that you can be notified anytime I put up a new video. And don't forget to share this video as well. Yeah, bye guys, see you on the next one.